The moon landing on July 20th, 1969, marked a monumental achievement in human history. Apollo 11, with astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, was the culmination of years of intense effort, innovation, and a fierce competition known as the space race. When Armstrong took that historic first step onto the lunar surface, he famously declared, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Those words resonated across the globe, symbolizing not just a victory for the United States, but a triumph for humanity's quest for knowledge and exploration. The Apollo 11 mission was not just about landing on the moon, it was a testament to human ingenuity. The spacecraft, a marvel of engineering, was equipped with cutting-edge technology for its time. The lunar module, named Eagle, separated from the command module, Columbia, and descended to the moon's surface. The challenges were immense, navigating through a complex lunar landscape, dealing with limited fuel, and ensuring a safe return. Yet, against all odds, they succeeded, and the world watched in awe as humans walked on another celestial body for the first time. The implications of the moon landing were profound. It ignited a passion for science and technology, inspiring generations to pursue careers in STEM fields. It also shifted our perspective on Earth, reminding us of our shared humanity and the fragility of our planet. The images of Earth from the moon, a small blue marble in the vastness of space, sparked a new environmental consciousness that continues to influence our actions today. Following Apollo 11, NASA conducted 5 more lunar missions, each contributing valuable scientific knowledge. The Apollo program brought back nearly 842 pounds of lunar rock and soil, allowing scientists to study the moon's composition and geological history. These missions laid the groundwork for our understanding of not just the moon, but the broader universe. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves on the brink of a new era in space exploration with the Artemis program. Named after the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, Artemis aims to return humans to the moon by 2024, with the ambitious goal of landing the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface. But Artemis is not just about revisiting the moon, it's about establishing a sustainable presence there. This includes building the Lunar Gateway, a space station that will orbit the moon, serving as a hub for future missions to Mars and beyond. The Artemis program also emphasizes international collaboration and commercial partnerships, recognizing that the challenges of space exploration are best tackled together. As we prepare for this next chapter, we're not just looking to the moon. We're setting our sights on Mars and the potential for human life beyond our planet. The legacy of Apollo 11 continues to inspire us as we venture into the cosmos. The moon landing was more than a moment in time. It was a spark that ignited our imagination and ambition. As we stand on the shoulders of giants, we are reminded that the journey of exploration is far from over. The future of space exploration is bright, and the possibilities are limitless.